This is how we decided, hey, we should hire more people. We should invest in marketing. These are the services that are selling well. We should find more freelancers with this.
We have a full team of VAs out in the Philippines that does a lot of the stuff for us already, so it's outsourced and whatnot. So it's right up. We're using the same things that you are. So I want to kind of get back to that too, and just kind of ask you a little bit about Ecom Balance and what you're doing there, and how is that whole thing working? What's the value you get from that?
Yeah, so I think I really like unsexy businesses, hiring processes, bookkeeping, but they're really the core to every company. Like there's very few entrepreneurs who make bad hires that have success, or who have bad processes, or who have success, or who don't understand their finances and have success. So a big thing that we did in FreeUp early on is hire a bookkeeper from day one, even before we were profitable. And we had a good monthly bookkeeping process. So the month would end within 15 days. We would get income statement, balance sheet, cash flow. And then we had a meeting on our calendar, my business partner, Connor, and I, where we would go through all the numbers and make decisions based on the numbers. And that's what everyone listening should have in their calendar every single month. We have a finance agenda meeting, or a meeting finance agenda for you to grab at ecombalance.com that you can go through with your partner. But this has to happen. With our Amazon business, we made the mistake of doing our books ourselves, which is a disaster. Entrepreneurs should never be doing their own bookkeeping. It's not a great use of your time, and most entrepreneurs are just not good at it, and you have to pay to get it redone afterwards. Or we would dump it on our account at the end of the year, and they would file taxes with it, which is fine, but we wouldn't actually be able to make decisions every single month, and we would just be flying by the seat of our pants. So with FreeUp, we set up that good monthly bookkeeping process. The month would end, we'd get reports, we'd go through and make decisions. And this is how we decided, hey, we should hire more people. We should invest in marketing. These are the services that are selling well. We should find more freelancers with this. We could actually make those decisions on a month-to-month basis. And there's a lot of benefits to having clean books. If you go to sell your business, you can actually do it and pass due diligence like we did. It makes tax season a lot less stressful because all your books, you can get funding and investments. But to me, the number one thing that applies to every entrepreneur is that ability to make good decisions based on what the numbers are actually telling you. That is the key.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so let me ask you this, right? So it's called Ecom Balance. So are you only doing it for online e-commerce stores, or tell me a little bit about the breadth of the services you guys provide?
Yeah, so we do have a team of very high-level bookkeepers, and we service a lot of e-com businesses. And I've been in the e-com space for a while, so it made sense to target them. We are launching a separate brand called Accounts Balance. The site's going up right now, but we have a separate team that just does non-e-commerce businesses. So if you're a non-e-commerce business, we can still do your bookkeeping. E-commerce bookkeeping tends to be more complicated than regular bookkeeping, so we can definitely help you out there.
Yeah, absolutely. So for those of you who are, these mom and pop entrepreneurs who have commercial real estate and have businesses in their commercial real estate, or have businesses that you're doing on your own and you don't have the bookkeepers, it sounds like you guys really got your processes squared away, and you have a very specific